Hello, welcome to my kitchen. First, we're gonna wash hands and dry them. This video is gonna be about cooking knife skills. So basically, we're gonna have to wash our cutting board, have a wet towel underneath. So we have two knives. One is a chef cooking knives and a paring knife, which is cuts little vegetables or tomatoes, stuff like that. First of all, I already washed them and dried them. So my tomatoes, a lime, and purple onion. We're gonna first start with the onion. Make sure you hold your chef cooking knife with a strong grip so you will have a full control of your knife. First of all, we're gonna cut the ends of the onions. One more thing, make sure that your knife is sharp. Cut the onion in the middle. Make sure you put your palm on top of the knife and hold it flat and move your fingers out the way so you won't hurt yourself. Okay, but we're gonna peel off the top of the onion and throw it away. Make sure you put your hand on top and start from the bottom, cutting towards the top. Then you're gonna have to go from top to the bottom and move your fingers away from the knives. Then you dice your onion in small cubes. Make sure you move your fingers away from the knife so you won't hurt yourself. The next knife we're gonna use is a paring knife. So this knife is a small knife that cuts small items. You wanna hold your tomato on both ends so you won't cut yourself. And you start from the middle, cut these the whole tomato into two halves and face them down. So you're gonna have a flat form of the tomato and cut the other half. Once you finish cutting your stuff, make sure that you have a clean separate bowl to put in your next veggies. I'm gonna use lettuce for my wrap. So what I'm gonna do first is wash the lettuce, and after I finish washing them, I'm gonna make sure the water is drained. Once I am done draining the water out of the lettuce, I'm gonna place them on a clean cutting board. Cut the lettuce even. Make sure you cut the ends first. So you wanna go up heels down when cutting it. And after you finish cutting your lettuce, make sure you found a clean bowl, a straining kind of bowl, and place your lettuce in the bowl so that the water can drain out. And once you are done cutting all your stuff, make sure you wash your knives, rinse them off, scrub them really good, and dry them off if you have something that you dry with it. Thank you so much for watching my video.